USA Pan baking pans feature AMERICOAT, which promotes quick release of baked goods plus fast and easy cleanup. Wash with hot water, mild soap and gentle scrub brush or sponge. Nonstick Americoat coating. A patented silicone coating which is PTFE, PFOA and BPA free, provides quick and easy release of all baked goods and minimal easy cleanup. Use only silicone, nylon or wooden utensils. Do not use sharp metal utensils. Baking surface dimensions: 17 by 12.25 inches. Outer pan dimensions: 18 by 13.9375 by 0.750 inches. Made in USA from globally sourced materials. USA Pan is a Bundy Family company which has proudly manufactured high-quality bakeware and provided jobs in the USA for over 50 years. The USA Pan large cookie sheet measures a full 17 by 12.25 inches and provides home bakers with a classic baking experience that is perfect for creating lasting memories. Bake flawless homemade chocolate chip cookies that brown evenly, release quickly, and come out tasting great. USA Pan large cookie sheet is the perfect size for bakers looking to bake cookies for friends and family. Whether you want to try out your favorite snickerdoodle, peanut butter, lemon, or sugar cookie recipes, the USA Pan large cookie sheet will allow you to create bakery-quality cookies from your very own kitchen. With a patented AMERICOAT Plus non-stick coating, the USA Pan large cookie sheet allows for easy cleanup. AMERICOAT Plus is PTFE, PFOA, and BPA free. Every USA pan is made in the USA and has been designed with the same standard high-performance features that commercial bakers enjoy, including aluminized steel and heavy-gauge steel construction that allows for even heat distribution and maximum service life. USA Pan large cookie sheets' unique fluted surface design facilitates air circulation and also maximizes pan strength, which helps to resist warping. USA Pan bakeware is long-lasting, durable, reliable. USA Pan's professional-grade bakeware helps everyday home bakers produce professional-grade baked goods. USA Pan is a Bundy family-owned company, based in the Greater Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania area that has been producing high-performance bakeware for over 50 years. Dimensions represent baking surface, not overall pan size. Use and care: do not exceed 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius. Our bakeware conducts heat efficiently, which may require you to reduce the time and temperature as necessary. Hand wash bakeware in warm water with mild dishwashing soap using a sponge, rinse and dry thoroughly. Do not place in dishwasher. Follow recipe instructions, greasing and flouring as directed. Cooking spray is not recommended. To maintain the pan's appearance over time, use a silicone baking mat or line the pan with aluminum foil when roasting vegetables or baking higher fat foods such as French fries or meat. Top reviews from the United States. These pans are amazing. I didn't think I needed any more baking sheets. I have lots of them, but my sister insisted I had to try these. In fact, she bought some for me because I insisted I didn't need them. Oh my gosh, I was wrong. I've needed these for the last 40 years, I just didn't know it. They are magic. You don't need to grease them, or use parchment paper, or anything. I didn't believe my hamburger buns, which I brush with egg wash before baking, would be okay without grease or parchment paper, but I gave it a try and they came right off. No sticking. Same with my cookies. Clean up is a breeze. I love them so much I just bought a 9 by 13 pan from the same company. You need these.